Good morning, Sir Leo Arcayos. My name is Sinrich Lagahid Jr. from Section Z2T. Today I will report the significance of sailing directions and navigation and port approaches. Introduction. Sailing direction, also known as pilot books, are essential maritime publications designed to provide comprehensive and practical information for navigating coastal waters and approaching port safety. Published by National Hydrographic Office, they complement nautical charts and provide critical information that cannot always be depicted visually. Purpose of sailing direction. Sailing directions assist mariners in safe navigations along coastlines through congested waters and during port entry and departure. These serve as detailed region-specific guides that offer supplemental data to nautical charts. They are vital for passage planning and port approaches. Contents of sailing directions. Navigational hazards. Details on submerged rocks, reefs, and obstacles. Pilotage information. Instructions for entering and leaving ports. Regulatory information. Local laws and maritime regulations. Port facilities. Descriptions of port infra- in infrastructure. Meteorological and environmental data, currents, weather, and tides. And the last is visual aids, photographs and illustrations of landmarks. Significance and navigations. Sailing direction enhance safety and efficiency by providing avoiding hazards such as submerged rocks and reefs, improving situational awareness with weather and environmental data, enabling the planning of safe and efficient routes. Significance in port approaches. Number one, port approaches require specific knowledge and sailing directions provide. Ikaduha, safe dogging and appropriate berth selections. Katulo, navigational assistance on currents, tides, and winds. And the last is compliance with local regulation to ensure safety. Conclusion. Sailing directions are indispensable for safe and efficient navigation. They supplement nautical charts with critical local knowledge, enhance situational awareness, and guide mariners safely through coastal waters and ports, significantly reducing the risk of accidents. Thank you, sir.